question is, if sir, if HTTP traffic is encrypted, then how the firewall of security tools detect malicious activity? So if HTTP firewall is encrypted, traffic is encrypted, and how the firewalls detect malicious? See, basically, if we'll talk about SIEM, okay, if there is a server which is connected to SIEM, it doesn't matter like if it's a encrypted packet or what exactly it's flowing. It basically uh, identify the threat on the basis of the behavior. Like it will do behavior analysis. We use this term into the industry. So on the basis of how you're sending the packet, how you're responding, is it the same pattern you're following that was being used in the previous activity? If there is any different, if there is a lot of packet is being requested at the same time which is beyond the limitations, so there's a lot of pattern which is having for each and everything. So because of that, the security to detect it's a malicious or what, like doesn't matter it's HTTP or HTTPS, but it depends the way you are approaching to the server.